Folks, I moved to another building. I'm here at the south building. Here's my car. Here's my car. This is my car. This is it, Porsche. All right, tonight I'm gonna drive out this car out of here tonight. See you guys. Bye. GTR Nissan. Look at this. Look at the detail. Fantastic. Look at this. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. All right. Nice car. All right. This your car?
No.
Not your car?
Company's car.
Oh, company's car. Oh, I'm sorry. But you wish you had this car. You wish. You wish you had this car. Someday you have this car.
Really?
For you.
I have one car.
What is it?
Prius.
Oh. Okay. Well, nice talking to you, sir. Bye. Bye. He's the owner of the car. I'm just joking.
Oh, yeah.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye. Oh, this is a Ferrari 512BB, made in 1979. Look at that. Wow, beautiful car, beautiful car. All engine, iron block engines, strong engines. All right, see you guys soon. Folks, this is the one of those Morgan 62 edition. Another one here from the UK, Great Britain. Okay, see you guys soon. Folks, another Ferrari. Look at this. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. See you guys soon. Folks, that's a GTR, a little miniature DCR car. That's the only car I can afford to buy. Only that, mini car. I cannot buy the real thing. Too expensive. Only mini car I can buy. See you guys soon, there. Bye. Folks, look at this. GR Toyota. Red Bull the sponsor. Don't buy Red Bull, it's bad for your health. Too much sugar. Don't buy Red Bull. Keep your health, as I did. Bye. Folks, this car got the best dress-up car award here at the Tokyo Village Show. The best car in Japan. The best dress-up car in Japan. Sorry about that. Won the prize. Beautiful car, beautiful car. See you guys soon.